If I tell you there's a very beginner friendly credit card that all of you can have right now that gives premium benefits like air miles in 1:1 ratio, free domestic plus international lounge access, and free movie tickets, which is also lifetime free with no joining or annual fees ever, would you believe me? Well, before I reveal the card, let me tell you what it offers and 5 reasons why this card should get a permanent place in your wallet. Number 1, it offers buy one get one free movie ticket up to 500 rupees every 6 months on Book My Show, which means in a year you get 1000 rupees worth of free movie tickets. So it's perfect for a movie date night as you will get a free ticket for your partner. Number 2, this card offers 2 complimentary domestic lounge access in a quarter, which means 8 lounge access in a year for free without any minimum spending criteria, and 2 international lounge access in a year via priority pass. So the best part is there is no hidden spend-based criteria to access the lounge, which is unheard of for an entry-level lifetime free card. Entering a lounge in an airport by paying cash can cost from 1500 to even 6000 rupees if you don't have free access. Number 3, you also get 1 complimentary golf game or lesson per quarter, which is 4 in a year, and it offers 1% fuel surcharge waiver. Number 4, this card also has a low forex markup fee of 1.5% for foreign transactions. Plus, they also offer a free concierge service to help you with bookings, reward points redemption, and more called the Auto Assist feature, which you can utilize by calling this number. And lastly, number 5, recently, this card has added Air India as a transfer partner in 1:1 ratio, which is unheard of even in mid-level cards, and this card is beginner friendly plus lifetime free. Okay, I think by now you know which card I'm talking about, as it's one of my favorite cards, which I've also recommended personally to my friends as well. It is the IndusInd Tiger credit card that gives all these benefits for free, and you can apply for it today using the link in description. Now that you have understood all the features and benefits, let me explain its reward point structure. So, Tiger has a slab-based reward point system that offers from 1 reward point to even 6 reward points depending on your spends. So, if you spend up to 1 lakh rupees in a year with Tiger card, you will earn 1 reward point per 100 rupees spent, which means 1000 reward points. If you spend from 1 lakh to 2.5 lakhs in a year using the card, you will earn 2 reward points per 100 rupees spent. That means till spends of 1 lakh rupees, you will earn 1 reward point for every 100 rupees spent, and then from 1 lakh to 2.5 lakhs, it doubles, and then from 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, you will earn 4 reward points per 100 rupees spent, and finally above 5 lakhs you unlock those 6 points per 100 rupees spent. Also, here are the transactions where you won't earn any rewards. Now, the reward points you want can be redeemed in 4 ways. Number 1, recently introduced Air India Miles program in a 1:1 ratio where 1000 Indus points will become 1000 Maharaja points to book flights in Air India. Number 2, you can convert them into KrisFlyer miles where 1 reward point equals 25 KrisFlyer miles, which means 1000 reward points is 250 KrisFlyer miles. That's great for booking international flights. Number 3, you can use the Indus Moments website to buy products or brand gift cards or even hotel and flight bookings where 1 reward point is 40 paisa, which means with 1000 reward points you can buy 400 rupees worth of products, vouchers or bookings. That also has the pay with rewards option where you can choose a combination of reward points and credit card for the purchase. And lastly, number 4, statement credit where 1 reward point is 40 paisa, which means 1000 reward points become 400 rupees, which gets adjusted in your next month's credit card bill. Now, my verdict on why you should own the Tiger card. The biggest selling point here is that it's a lifetime free card, 0 joining or annual fee, with so many other offers including Air India as a transfer partner. Plus, it's very beginner friendly, making it easier to get with low eligibility criteria. Now, I know the reward point may be lower considering the spending slab, but I would say keeping this lifetime free card in your collection is just a complete no-brainer to utilize the free lounge access, movie tickets, and golf lessons. Don't forget to join the WhatsApp and Telegram community of Anant Wealth, and you can watch the detailed comparison video on the IndusInd Tiger versus Legend credit card next by tapping on your screen. Thank you for watching. I'm Anirban, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.